Okay, we're gonna do Morimoto headlights. Put these into Johnny's car, as you can see. And we're gonna do it all without removing the bumper. You want to see how long it takes. You gotta take off these screws in front there. This will pop off. This will pop off. We got a new clip for here, and then we got to take off these screws under here. Headlight will pop out. These are T15s. Stick these all here. One. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 millimeter. One. Uh-oh.
Oh. Got it.
Cool. Three. Four. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we got to pull those little pins out so we can get this out. And these are also, what was it, T15s. One, two, three. 4, 5. So there's a lower. There's a 10 millimeter nut down there. There's 3 of them. Try and get to them. That's out of there. Bolts, no nuts. Now you got to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of these covers so we can get access into there. I think we only have to take off these 4. You can see the back covers of these headlights are already falling off. Water, moisture can get inside there. That's the back of the headlight. There's 3 screws right there. I believe they're 10 millimeter. 3 nuts on the bolts that hold the fender together. That's not the best way to do it. Okay, so there's a little clip right here that we have to replace, that holds these 2 together. So this slides out. Pry action. Okay. There were 2 people. So, up. Voila. These little clips.
It's raining.
Oh crap. I gotta put the top of my car.
And it's coming down pretty fast. Just what we were trying to avoid.
Push that in. And this one. Okay. There's one headlight off.
And 30 minutes.
Okay, so here's what it looks like after the fact. Plugs. Gotta take off that little gray thing that comes out of here, and then there's a little clippy thing that clips onto here. And that's how it comes out. Okay. So if you want the running lights to go sequentially, you unplug this. This plug goes to this wire that they give you. It connects both plugs to power. And that's what runs the running lights, I guess, actually. So two different things. Okay. So plug this in. Okay, I need you to pull up on this. Crap. Pull it up. Didn't know it did that.
Did not. Didn't need to.
You got 4 of these. Okay, can you hold this right there? Ooh, that's cool.
Wow.
Okay, it's not in all the way, but I'm going to leave it loose for now so we can get the other side. And then we'll make sure everything's straight and tighten them. 10 millimeters holds the fender together, and then there's 3 bolts that hold the headlight together. It was a little bit tight. I didn't jack up this side. Now we're going to try and pull it out. Pull that up. Ah, yeah. Okay. This is unplugged. These 3 things are going into those 3 bolts. We need to connect the little doodaddy for the running light. It's here. Thank you. That was easier than the last one. So, plug it in. Main plug. Plug it all the way in. It's got to go down there. And then this little gray thing goes, yep. Cool. Okay, hard part's done. Let's turn on.
Alright, moment of truth.
Running lights and headlights. Okay, so let's hook up the power and then we can test the turn signals. Fuse thing goes into number 6. Actually, number 6 is right here. So 5, 6, which would be on 16. Yeah, so it's this 16, the second one in, which is right there. So pull that one out.
This one?
Yep. And then we put this one in its place. There, we'll have to notch out that so it closes. Okay, so now let's turn on. got to adjust the headlights. There's 2 screws in there. You can see on the right. The right one does the left height. On the left side, on the right side. So I'm turning the right screw, the inside screw, counterclockwise. Bring it down. The tape mark is for my car. And let's see, we go on the right screw. Move that in. Turn your blinker on.